Hey, what's up, guys? Peace and welcome to Update 2.0. This is going to be, it's not a successor to the Update 1. Whatever videos. This is Update 2.0 because I'm starting something new. What I'm starting is an inbox kind of thing going on. I'm going to visit my YouTube inbox more than once a week, and if I find a few interesting questions and I like your questions, I will definitely do a video on them. But first of all, since this is an update, I just have to congratulate you guys and thank you guys for rating my video so high and favoriting it so many times. The Sony Vegas 8 video, the one that I gave away Sony Vegas 8 keys, 37 favorites. I got tons of honors, and I'm finally getting noticed on YouTube. More than 260 subscribers. So keep that up, guys. That's the first point. Alright, let's get to the inbox. I'm just going to pull up YouTube right here, and if I like the question enough, again, I'll put your link in the description, and you can actually go check it out and watch, and everyone can see your channel and see, oh, he does tech videos too, or something like that. So I'm just going to go to my inbox, and I'm just going to start rolling down. Alright, first person, shorehousefun asks, is this just a free trial? What is the serial code or full version? He's talking about Sony Vegas. The Sony Vegas video I did is a full version. So when you get the key, you download the free trial, and it'll ask you during the process of installation of the free trial, do you want to put in a code as a purchase version? And you say, yes, of course. And then you put in the code I gave you, and there you go. So if you follow the instructions in that video, then you have the full version, full registered version of Sony 8.0, Sony Vegas 8.0 Pro. Alright, here's one from NV911 who asks, about the Vegas keys again, how do I unlock the full version? I go and enter the serial number, and it says the number is invalid. Well, there might be a problem. What I would suggest, I gave you, number one, the link and then the key. So if you go to the link that I gave you in the Sony Vegas video, it will ask you, again, to download the free trial, and you download the free trial, it'll ask you if you want to use the keys to make it the full paid version and use those keys. So hopefully that clarifies everything. Yeah. Alright, I got another message in my inbox here, and it says, this is from irockandthisishanna. And her question, or his question was, hey, I was wondering, can you get more speed dial in Opera web browser? And the answer is yes, and that, I like it enough to do a video tutorial on it later. So stay tuned. By the end of this week, hopefully I'll have a tutorial out on how to add or subtract or customize, change the number of speed dial boxes you have in Opera, in Google Chrome, and in Safari 4 Beta. Stay tuned for that. So thanks for the question, and hopefully your video will be out. Go ahead and post a video response, or I'll post it as a video response to one of my other videos or something, so you guys can get all the videos connected and everything. So that's a good question. Thanks for that. And I get this question a lot. I've gotten it from about 6 users, so I'm not even going to name them all. But they ask, what do you use to edit your videos? Now that's the most often asked question, and I use Camtasia Studio 6 to put like annotations and arrows and stuff in all my videos. And the one you see here, I'm using Camtasia Studio 6. And then people ask me, because I've done a Camtasia Studio 6 video and a Sony Vegas video, which do you prefer? Which do you recommend? Which should I get? Well, like I said, if you can follow the instructions in both of the videos, then you can have both and you can compare them for yourself. But what I use more often, just because I'm more familiar with it, is Camtasia Studio 6. It's just a little more intuitive. It's less expensive in the first place, but it's just a little more intuitive for me. So that's what I use, and that's why I use it. And another question I get a lot is, how do you make your videos in HD? All I have to say is I'm going to post that video on how to do it as a video response. So just watch the video response on how to make your videos, your tutorials, your webcam shoots like me in the highest possible quality on YouTube, so that your viewers can get the best experience. So that's the answer to that question for all of you who have asked that question. And finally, I get asked a whole lot since I've broadcasted my Skype name so that people can connect with me. How do you call people, how do I call businesses and stuff for free, unlimited, using Skype? So I'm just going to show you real quick. The number to do that, you can call any business that you want for free on Skype using Google 411. And a lot of people have done this already, but I'll just tell you right now. Add as a Skype contact the following phone number, +1 1-800-446 4411. I'll put it above me. I'll put it in the description. You guys won't forget it. Don't worry. But there you go. When you call that number, I might as well do a tutorial on it eventually, I guess. You actually call the number. You have to speak or enter the name of the business and the location of the business, and boom, you're connected. Whether or not that business is Skype, whether or not you have Skype credit, you can call any business that you want, And it's pretty much any business, trust me. If you think this business hasn't been heard of yet, it's probably in their directory by now. Google has a large database. So that is how you can call any business that you want in Skype for free. And that just about wraps it up. So thank you for all the questions you've given me already. Your links will be in the description. Everything is covered here in the description box, so just go ahead and look over there. And now that I've finished with this video, just gotta say, if you haven't already, subscribe to my page. That is a big part of what I'm doing here on YouTube. I'm trying to get as wide an audience as I can to broadcast my ideas. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And by the way, for the people who have been wondering what I'm listening to right now, it's my voice. Just in case my mic glitches. I remember in my Camtasia Studio, in my Cam Studio videos, my microphone was not working very well, so I actually had to repeat things if I heard my mic glitch or anything. So I'm just using my iPod headphones and my laptop here. So that is basically it. So thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and thanks for tuning in and listening to what I have to say. So that's it. Peace.